Okay. Places please. Places please. Now, cue the channel 4 logo. Excuse me, channel 4 logo, but you are upside down on that take. Okay, can you turn back the screen to normal? Okay? Let's try this again from the top. Cue the channel 4 logo. Why did you put the Olive Garden logo in the logo? You are not supposed to show any logo, like corporate or commercial logo. So, I have to admit, I need to eat some Olive Garden food. But we need to continue the third take. Okay, let's do this again from the top. Cue the channel 4 logo. Hey, you are not supposed to show other videos. Like I said, you are supposed to show channel 4 logo and only the channel 4 logo. You understand? Okay, this is your last chance, by the way. Screw up one more time, then you're done. Okay, let's try this again from the top. Cue the channel 4 logo. Yes. We finally got the logo right.